And let's go to our line tool. So the line tool is great if you want to just draw straight lines. So if you click and drag, it will allow you to place that straight line anywhere you like. If you hold down Shift, it will snap it to the nearest 90 degrees. So say I'm trying to make my timing chart, I can work on that. I can also grab this line, all these lines, and then let's see if I can change my stroke size later. I can. So that's a nice option as well. Cool. Next is our pen tool. And we'll be using the pen tool later in the semester, but how it works is you're going to click to add your first line or first dot, then click and drag, and you can see you can start making curves, Bezier curves. Click and drag to make another Bezier curve, and click and drag. If I want to make a sharp turn, I can click on the last point that I created. So just click back on it, and then I can click down below here, and that will create a straight line connector. Click again. And then if I want to go back to a curved line, for example, I can click and drag. So this can be really fun. I can fill this in using my paint bucket tool. And paint bucket is just really great if you're trying to fill in any filled line. So I will say when we're working later in the semester and you're trying to draw and then maybe fill in something like hair, you have to be really careful when using the paint bucket tool that your object is closed. Okay, so I've set up 3 circles to try and illustrate what I mean by filling the gaps. So I have my paint bucket tool and I can click in this first circle and you can see it fills that no problem. Now in the second circle there is a little bit of a gap in the center here, and so if I try and click my paint bucket, it won't do anything. Now Adobe Animate has a solution to this. Underneath the color tools, there is an area where you can click on close small gaps, close medium gaps, close large gaps. And I'm just going to click on close small gaps and try it again. Medium, there we go, it works. Now this last one, even with large gaps, it won't fill. So what you need to do is go back into your pen tool and just connect those lines and then try and fill again. There you go.